A few moments later.
Welcome to me. Malamig siya pero not that cold.
Eventually,
We're already out of the airport and medyo natagalan lang cause medyo mahaba yung pila sa immigration, but like it would take most probably 20 minutes if you already know the process. So we first pay for the visa, then after we already have a pre-filled form which is better, so that mas madaling makapag palagay ng visa stamp, kasi hindi na kami nag-apply like online visa kasi we prefer na it should be stamped on our passports, and then after you fall in line on the immigration. After immigration it would take like only 2 minutes, then after immigration baggage came, then you're out. And now we're heading to our hotel that we booked. It's called Yerevan Center Hotel that we will be staying for 2 nights. So basically we'll be staying here 2 days, then on the third day of this trip we're going to Tbilisi, Georgia. So yeah. And alright everyone. We're already here at the metro station. So we're going to the Republic Square and maybe we'll get lunch. I don't know. Just check first the place. First I'm going by the metro. Kanina nagkagulo pa kasi. Ingat lang sa mga pera na pinapalit nyo at the airport or maybe on some other currency money changer, kasi dapat familiar din kayo sa money na binibigay nyo. So medyo mahirap lang if hindi nyo alam, kasi gaya kanina tigpa kami ng Google, alam ko 200 lari yung binigay ko, then kinuha niya, so medyo ingat lang.
meanwhile,
what I saw you earlier is the St. Gregory the Illuminator Cathedral. So it was built in 1997 and finished, I think, or established in 2001. So as you can see, this is a very nice church. So I didn't took any other videos or photos, but the place is very quiet, calm. Like, you can feel you're really inside this beautiful cathedral. Very nice. Off to the next.
12 seconds
We
later.
already got our local SIM. It's like for $5 for 5 GB. It's 2,000 dirham. So it will be good for 2 days, hopefully, because we will not be using data while we're walking and stuff. But we will try to, for sure, maximize the local data. Like, if you're going to far places, especially, you know, where like it'll be far. So we'll try to download Yandex. Yeah, Yandex. It will cost only like, they say like 2 to 5 dirham. I'm not really sure, but we'll see later. But now we're going to the flea market to buy souvenirs and this candy with nuts. Not really sure, but we'll see. So we're already here at the flea market, and we will try to find some souvenirs, maybe some sweets. I don't know. We'll check some stuff. Oh, this is a nice piece of chess. I mean, this is very nice, as you can see. Then they have this, and some other stuff like necklaces. I think they do love chess here. They have a lot of chess pieces, some jewelries. Oh, I like this one. This is nice. Pomegranate stuff is like good. Actually, see, this is nice pieces, right? So as you can see, aside from paintings, do love chess, and yeah, pwede naman dala sa Dubai. Why not? Ganda. Very nice. Nice artworks. Ooh, this is cool. Like, everything is cool. So, nandito na tayo sa Bazaar gift shop. And kung makikita nyo, iba't ibang klaseng souvenirs. May buy one get one na mugs. On this side, meron namang mga ref magnets, which is yung binili ko na rin para sa mga workmates ko. Yan, makita nyo mostly may mga pomegranates, yung kahit mga ref magnets na. May mga tote bags, may dresses, may purse, sling bags. And for displays, kung mga mahilig kayo sa mga display ng kagaya nito, meron din naman sila. Yan. And ito, plates. Small plates and mga parang siyang vases, little vases. I'm not sure kung ano talaga yan. Mostly mga handcrafted rin yung ibang souvenirs na binibenta dito. Meron rin, and sobrang na-amaze ako dito kasi sobrang ganda ng pagkagawa nito. And that side may mga wallets. Itong pinakamura na souvenir na nabili ko, worth 300 lang. So bumili ko niya ng dalawa. And sa kabilang side naman nito, may mga keychain, the usual, caps. I love Armenia na caps. Sa side nito, kung mga mahilig uminom, ang mga friends nyo, meron silang mga shot glass. Sobrang ganda nito. Supposed to buy this one, pero wala sila yung parang a pack of 6 kasi mababasag sa maleta. So yan lang yung ibang souvenir. May mga ref magnets pa dito. And ito, Para siyang hand-painted na siya glass. Ang ganda actually. Maraming ganyan na hand-painted na mga yung glasses. May phone cases, may keychains, yan. Ano pa ba dito nakita ko? Meron pa ito. Mga tote bags. Kung mahilig mag-tote bags. Na cost 500. Then, so, may mga caps sila na napakita ko din kanina. And shirts, which is obviously I Love Armenia. And yun, this is just the whole place. So, we're already here. Next stop, Armenian Market. Armenian Market, next stop. So we're gonna check fruits and sweets and vegetables and other stuff here. Oh, thank you. What is this?
Apricot nut, sesame, orange.
Apricot, nuts.
Apricot nut, sesame, orange. Very, very good. This is mandarin. I know me. Nut, dana, very army. I know me. This.
This is nice. Very good.
It's a mandarin.
Sorry.
Very good. Very, very good. Это тоже.
All?
Да. Yes. Mandarin. Very good. Iriana Lassa. Brother. Come back.
So this is the fruit section. Earlier, doon tayo sa side ng mga parang sweets and everything, nuts. This is naman tayo sa fruits. Yan yung parang sweets nila dito with nuts and everything. So let me just check. Yeah. And this is our second to the last destination for today, the Cascade Complex. Just enjoy the view. So, nakarating na kami dito sa taas after sa Cascade. Pero nag-elevator kami kasi sobrang nakakapagod. So, ito. Pinunta namin. Yun, and ito, try namin pumasok dyan. So, tip ko lang, dapat comfortable shoes ang gamitin nyo kasi sobrang hirap, sobrang nakakapagod, pero worth it yung view.